We'll,
Yeah. Okay, turn it over.
Okay.
Do you have any boats that are signed up yet or not? How many? I haven't started counting, just kind of stand by.
Back on top of it.
I got 24.
Here, a couple more out of it. We'll open it out. And then we need something for the back.
No, it's going to be two here, three in the middle. Who's this, Ken? Who's this? Back two? Can I ask you a question? Why do we have to sing them after the first race? No, we don't have it. No? They don't show up.
Looking like we got no boat.
Can everybody hear me?
I can hear you.
Here's how the kayak race is going to work. You're going to have two-member teams, 2 members to a kayak. I'd just like to mention Otto Schoenstein built the kayaks and everything, and this is the 9th game. He deserves a round of applause. This is his last year. What you're going to do, 1 member at a time, will race out around the buoy and come back in. The second member of the team will get in the kayak and then again do the same thing. Race out to the buoy and come back in. The first team to come in wins.
Man.
part starts on the second stage. A member will be chosen from each team to go in the kayak, and they will row out and form a circle. On the word go, it's demolition. In other words, they're going to try and sink each other, and the last one floating will win a prize. Okay, teams, let's go out and form a circle. Don't do anything until I tell you.